Good morning, I am Amy One Braley with CNETU Oceana. This video will provide steps on how to troubleshoot the onboard oxygen generating system, also known as OBOGS. This could also detect issues in another system that the OBOGS test will not identify. This video explains the steps that can be performed after a pilot has radioed in saying they're experiencing weak OBOGS flow or an OBOGS degrade. If at any point this flight is declared a physiological event, be sure to contact the NATEC representatives and follow the Part B protocol.
Always refer to MDART for the most up-to-date safety information and maintenance steps. For most accurate troubleshooting, the aircraft should be turning with the environmental control system fully operational. Follow all applicable steps in MDART to perform low power turn. Once aircraft is online, have the turn operator turn the OBOGS switch to the on position. Have the turn operator turn the OBOGS flow control knob to on. Be sure to bring mask, regulator, and hose from affected aircrew with you. Check OBOGS circuit breaker on PDP number 1 and PDP number 5 and door 10 left. Open door 13 left and verify the latch indicator on the OBOGS concentrator is latched black. Verify all pneumatic lines on the OBOGS concentrator are connected properly and not loose. Directly below door 13 left, verify the OBOGS concentrator is purging. Inspect the OBOGS monitor on the left aft bulkhead of the cockpit. Ensure the pneumatic bit button is not stuck in the up position. Inspect all electrical connections for proper connection or damage. If all connections on the OBOGS monitor are good, perform electrical and pneumatic bit. Ensure left EDI is properly set up. Press and hold pneumatic bit button on side of OBOGS monitor. Master caution light and OBOGS degrade should display within 65 seconds. Once OBOGS degrade appears, release pneumatic bit button. Degrade should clear within 30 seconds. Press and release electronic bit button on front of OBOGS monitor. Master caution light and OBOGS degrade should display and go off within 15 seconds. If still unable to isolate OBOGS fault, refer to MDART for OBOGS system test and OBOGS leak test. For additional OBOGS troubleshooting, refer to A-1, TAC F-18 EA, TAC 410, TAC 500.
Thank you for viewing this training. This has been a CNETU Oceana Public Affairs production.